Hello children, today I am continuing the topic Politics of Plant Development. Today I will tell you about the second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan was prepared by the team of economists and planners, and this team was led by P.C. Mahalanobis. And second 5-year plan was prepared in and implemented in 1956 and in continued till 1961. In this plan, the emphasis was on infrastructural transformation of economy, means infrastructural development of the country. And during the session of Congress political party in Madras, before the planning of before the end of the planning of this second 5-year plan, it was decided by the Congress political party that now the goal of the Congress party will be the socialist pattern of economy. That is socialist pattern of economy. And this goal, that is socialist pattern of society, was seen in the second 5-year plan, and in the second 5-year plan all the emphasis was given on the establishment of the industries also, and the main focus was given on the putting of barriers on the imports of goods from foreign countries. The reason was given that at that time, that is when the second 5-year plan was implemented, like 1956, means at the time of 1956 all the industries, whether it was private sector industries or whether it was from the public sector industries, all the industries were not technologically so strong, so advanced, and whatever the products they were giving, those products were not able to compete from the products which might be coming from the foreign countries. So trade barriers were imposed on the goods of foreign companies so that the domestic industries and whether it is private or public sectors can be safeguarded or can be protected from the foreign competition. And the result was that, and the reason behind was that for the development of the industrial sector in the country. For the planners, it was not easy to balance the agricultural sector and the industrial sector also, because in the second 5-year plan, not only industrial sectors but in other dimensions also the focus was given so that the development could take place in all the dimensions, because it was now the need of the hour, it was now the need of the time. And beside industrial sectors, there were other sectors also in which the focus was given, and we can see the other sectors like transport, communication, and mining. And mining was a part of industrial sector because through the mining we get the raw materials and which are used in the industrial sectors. And then next we can see that so many steel plants were established which brought a big change in the textile sector, and not in the textile sector even, because during the second 5-year plan, 5 steel plants were established in Durgapur, Bhilai and Jamshedpur. Whatever the decisions were taken and whatever the plannings were done by the planners and economists during the or for the second 5-year plan, it was very beneficial for the development of industrial and economic field, industrial sector of India and economy of the India, because it gave the chance to develop the small sector industries, small scale industries in India, and the people got the chance for employment also. And if सपोज कि अगर इस कंडीशन में अगर हम फॉरेन इंडस्ट्रीज़ को चांस मिलता आने के लिए, उनसे compete करना पड़ता हमारी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ को की प्रोडक्शन को, तो दे माइट हैव शट इट डाउन, अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ को उन्हें बंद करना पड़ता. बट नाउ दे वेयर एबल टू ग्रो इट एंड slowly and slowly they started to produce better quality of goods in India also. That's all for today, children. Thanks and have a nice day.